Hello friends, myself Syed Hasnan, certified trend trader. In this video, share the technical analysis of LTC, XRP, Dogecoin, Shibcoin, and Atomcoin. I will analyze them one by one and I will tell you how these coins will perform in upcoming days. I will tell you about their trend. We will see if there is a new buying opportunity in them. If yes, then what will be our buying price and what will be our target price after buying. Similarly, we will see if there is a new selling or short selling opportunity in them. If yes, then what will be our selling or short selling price and what will be our target price after short selling. If you want to take exit from any of these coins, I will tell you the best exit price as well in this video. So this video is going to be very informative for you. I have opened the chart of LTC against the USDC on 1 day time frame. If you go on my YouTube channel and look on my last video that I uploaded on LTC, in this video I discussed that LTC is moving in this falling channel formation where the resistance of this channel formation is around 134.63. That was the resistance of this channel formation and the support of LTC was 75, and I discussed these two levels in my last video. At that time LTC was moving around 130. In that video I mentioned that if LTC failed to sustain above 134 in upcoming days, its prices will fall on downside. Prices were moving around this level in last video, and in last video I discussed that if it failed to sustain above this trend line resistance of this channel formation, its prices will fall on downside, where first target of LTC on downside will be 106 and final target on downside will be 75. And if you look at these candles failed to sustain above 134. That was the resistance of this channel formation, and we can see that prices after failing to sustain above this level started falling on downside. And if you look at these candles has successfully achieved first target on downside, that was 106. Currently price is trading at 95. And if we discuss it for upcoming days, now the same scenario is prevailing in this coin. LTC is moving in this channel formation, and now the resistance of this channel formation will be at 133, and the support of this channel formation will be at 74.96. This will be the support of this channel formation. And now if you guys have bought this coin at higher rates, and now if you are stuck into this coin might give you a chance to exit from it, and that exit point is 114.89. You can take your exit from this coin at 114.89, and we can expect that prices will fall on downside and they will try to retest this support of this channel formation, that is around 74.96. If you guys want to go for buying into this coin, you need to make sure that you get a buying price of 74.96 in this coin, and after that your first target will be around 103 and final target will be this trend line resistance of this channel formation, that will be around 133. But if you go for buying into LTC at 74.96, don't forget to put your stop loss below this trend line support of this channel formation. If it breaks below this level, that is 74.96, and sustain below this level, it will simply break this channel formation and we will see a huge drop in its prices on downside. So you need to make sure that you are aware of this trend line support of this channel formation, and don't forget the level of 74.96 in this coin. And if price does not come on downside and simply it revert back on upside from here, and if it sustain above 133.39, you can again go for buying into this coin above this level. Before this level you simply need to wait that you get a buying price of 74.96 in this coin. The next coin is XRP. If we look at XRP against USDC on 1 day time frame, currently this coin is consolidating. The support of this consolidation zone is 1.7821, and the resistance of this consolidation zone is at 3.4023. If you guys want to go for buying into this coin, you need to make sure that you get a buying price of 1.7821 in this coin. After that your stop loss will be below this level, and your first target will be 2.4952, and final target will be this resistance level, that is 3.4023. But if it fail to sustain above 1.7821 and give closing below this level, it will simply break this consolidation zone, and it will enter into its downtrend, and we will see a huge drop in its prices whenever it will submit a new breakdown, like it give closing below 1.7821. I will definitely share the levels that it will expose after its breakdown on downside on this YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe this channel. If you guys have bought this kind at higher rates and now you are stuck into this kind and you want to take exit from this kind might give you a chance to exit from it, and that exit point is a 2.4952. You can take your exit from this coin at this level. The next coin is Dogecoin. If we look at this coin, currently this coin is moving in this channel formation, where the resistance of this channel formation is at 0.36725, and the support of this channel formation is at 0.16339. This is the support of this channel formation. If you guys want to buy this coin, you need to make sure that you get a buying price of 0.16339, and don't forget to put your stop loss below 0.16339, because if it give closing below this level, it will simply break this channel formation and it will enter into a downtrend, and we will see a huge drop in its prices on downside. So to avoid such scenario, you need to make sure that you put your stop loss below 0.16339, and if it's sustain above 0.16339, you can go for buying at this level, and after that your first target on upside will be 0.25394, and final target will be this resistance of this channel formation, that is 0.36725. If you guys have bought this kind at higher rates and now if you are stuck into this kind and you want to take exit from this kind might give you a chance to exit from it, and that exit point is 0.25394. You can take your exit from this kind at this level. The next coin is the Shib coin. If we look at this coin, currently this coin is moving in its downtrend. This coin has submitted a breakdown of this flag formation in this candle when it gave closing below 0.00002011, and after that it exposed the final target of 0.00001074. And if you look at its current prices are very close to this final target, and we can say that this coin has almost achieved its final target on downside. As this coin is moving in its downtrend, we need to follow two strategies in this coin. First strategy is sell on strength, and that strength level is 0.00001609. And if you guys have bought this coin at higher rates, and if you are stuck into this coin and now you want to take exit from this coin might give you a chance to exit from it, and that exit point is also 0.00001609. You can take exit from this coin at this level. And the next strategy that we can follow in this coin is a sell on a new breakdown. This coin will submit a new breakdown when it will give closing below 0.00001074 and sustain below this level. If it will submit a new breakdown and sustain below this level, its prices will fall on downside, and after that scenario, our first target on downside will be 0.00000911. Second target on downside will be 0.00000748, and final target on downside will be 0.00000571. So this will be the final target of Shib coin on downside, and we can expect a drop of almost 50% in its prices if it will submit a new breakdown on these levels. So don't forget this level, and this level is 0.00001074. As this coin is moving in its downtrend, I will now recommend you guys to go for buying into this coin for mid-term to long-term. Until it is confirmed that this coin has started its uptrend, we will get initial confirmation that this coin has entered into its uptrend when it will sustain above 0.00001609. Before this level, I will now recommend you guys to go for buying into this coin for mid-term to long-term. But if you get a less risky buying opportunity on intraday basis, then you can definitely go for buying on intraday basis. But for mid-term to long-term, I will definitely now recommend you guys to go for buying into this coin. The next coin is Atom coin. if we look at it, this coin is moving in a downtrend where it gave the breakdown of this flag formation in this candle when it gave closing below 6.295. After that, it exposed the final target of 3.665. If you look at is current candle, this candle is exactly moving around this final target, and we can say this coin has almost achieved this final target. And as this coin is moving in its downtrend, we need to follow two strategies in this coin. First strategy is sell on strength, and that strength level is 5.007. If you guys have bought this coin at higher rates and now you are stuck into this coin and you want to take exit from this coin, so this coin might give you a chance to exit from it, and that exit point is 5.007. And the next strategy that we can follow in this coin is a sell on new breakdown. This coin will submit a new breakdown when it will give closing below 3.665 and it will sustain below this level. And if it will submit a new breakdown and sustain below 3.665, we will see prices to drop on downside. And on downside, our first target will be 3.163. Second target on downside will be 2.677, and final target on downside will be 2.158. And we will see a drop of almost 40% in its prices on downside whenever it will submit a new breakdown on downside. So you need to make sure that you are aware of this 3.665 level. As this coin is moving in its downtrend, I will not recommend you guys to go for buying into this coin for mid-term to long-term until it is confirmed that this coin has started its uptrend. We will get initial confirmation that this coin is going into its uptrend when it will sustain above 5.007. Before this level, I will not recommend you guys to go for buying into this coin for mid-term to long-term. If you get a less risky buying opportunity on intraday basis, then you can definitely go for buying into this coin. But for mid-term to long-term, I will definitely not recommend you guys to go for buying into this coin. And guys, if you want to know how DOT coin, AVAX coin, Link coin, MATIC coin, TRX coin will perform in upcoming days, you can watch my last video that I uploaded on my this YouTube channel. And if you want to know how Bitcoin will perform in 2025, you can watch this 6-minute dedicated video on Bitcoin that I uploaded on my this YouTube channel. That's all for now. See you in next video.